Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and confirming you're signed in. Incognito needs a signed profile. Once done, tap or click the circular profile icon in the top right corner. Make sure your app is updated, because older versions may not show Incognito. If you're on desktop, the profile menu appears the same spot. This immediate action gets you to the menu where Incognito is available, so proceed to open that menu now and look for the Incognito option. After opening the profile menu, choose Turn on Incognito. You'll see a short explanation of what changes. You do this because Incognito stops searches and watch history from saving to your account, so YouTube won't personalize suggestions. Once you tap it, the app switches to an Incognito avatar and shows a banner confirming the mode. Make sure to note the confirmation. On some devices, you must accept a brief prompt. Now that it's active, you can browse without adding. To finish, tap the Incognito avatar and select Turn off Incognito. This returns you to your regular account and resumes history tracking. If the option isn't visible, update or reinstall the app and confirm you're signed into a standard account, because some managed accounts block Incognito. If you notice history still logging, clear the app cache and sign out, then sign back in. That often resets the state. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the device after reinstalling to ensure the new settings take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.